Hello everybody, what's going on? So few big updates are coming from NIOs, and today we are breaking down a massive development from the company that the broader market might be overlooking. While the most of the headline focus on monthly delivery numbers, the real story is happening under the hood, especially within the NIO semiconductor division, Senji. We have just received reports that NIO is moving from being a customer of tech to a supplier for the entire industry. This is a fundamental shift in their business model that could redefine the company's valuation. The big news today is that NIO chip unit through its subsidiary Genie Tech is officially in talks with major players like Leap Motors and Geely to supply their high performance M97 chip. This isn't just a pilot project. This is a strategic move to monetize their R&D. Now let's talk about the spec. This M97 chip co-developed with Xera is an absolute powerhouse. It boasts over 700 tops. That's tera operation per second of computing power. To put that in perspective, it's designed to outperform Horizon Robotics Journey J6P, which sits at 560 tops. For automakers looking to scale up their autonomous driving capabilities without the high price tag of the Western silicon, NIO is positioning itself as a premium domestic alternative. Now, why does this matter for the stock? For years, the bear case against NIO has been their high R&D burn. We all know that critics ask why spend billion developing your own chip when you can just buy them from Nvidia? Well, here is the answer. NIO is turning a cost center into a massive revenue generator by spinning off the chip unit and securing its own funding, recently valued at over 8 billion yuan. NIO has created a flywheel effect here. They developed the tech for their own world-class vehicles, proved the reliability across 150,000 plus units already on the road, and then licensed the same tech to competitors like Geely and Leap Motors. For NIO investors, this is really a big thing. Recurring license revenue that isn't tied to how many cars NIO sells, but how many cars the entire Chinese EV industry sells. What even more strategic is the market timing. Many Chinese OEMs are currently looking for decoupled supply chain. They want domestic high-powered chips that don't come with the algorithm bundling that some other suppliers require. NIO is offering flexibility, giving other automakers the hardware they need while letting them keeping their own software brain. This makes the M97 an attractive proposition for a company like Geely. So the big question here is that where does this leave us as investors? We are seeing NIO evolve into a diversified technology conglomerate. They have the premium car brand, the world's most advanced battery swapping network, and now a semiconductor business that is knocking on the doors of the industry's biggest players. The successful tap out of the M97 signal that heavy R&D phase is starting to pay off. We aren't just looking at a car company anymore. We are looking at a tier 1 tech supplier. As these supply deals get inked and revenues start hitting the balance sheet, the narrative around NIO Part 2 profitability become much clearer. That is the reason why I would say that the floor is rising, the tech is proven, and the upside of NIO ecosystem has never looked more promising. If you have been waiting for a sign that NIO's long-term vision is manifesting into the real-world value, this is it. And if Geely and Leap Motor started buying these chips, then revenue is going to increase dramatically, and we will see the same effect on its stock price as well. So get ready for it. With that said, thank you so much for being here. See you in the next one.